Yo, what's good people, it's AJ Cactus, and in today's video, I'm heading down to Derby to link up with my guy, Prince Baza. Baza's a sick producer and engineer. He's got some big placements with people like AJ Tracey, Chip, Wiley, Mowgs, just to name a few. And yeah, we've been boys for years, but we're way overdue a cook up. So I'm gonna head to his studio now, hopefully make some heat, and let's get straight into it. Yes bro, what's good?
What you saying, bro?
Alright, so I'm here with my guy Prince Baza, and I think the plan for today is we're going to start off with some Drake vibes, and then I don't really know after that. We might make some drill, we might make some UK rap, we'll just see what happens. Could try a different key though. What if we repeated this one and then just had that? Maybe just some vocals.
Yeah.
It's nice with just the pads in it.
Yeah.
I'll like layer the pad with some keys maybe. You know,
Yeah,
just some soft keys.
Yeah.
Should we just get some drums in?
Yeah.
feel like if I do something now, it's just gonna be for the sake of it.
It'd be too much, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so we finished the first beat. I think we killed it. We made some Drake vibes, real ambient, real smooth. So yeah, I'll play it for you, then we'll move on to the next one. Alright, for the second beat, we're starting off with a loop. It's one of my loops though. It's actually a drill loop, but what we're thinking is we're gonna speed it up and turn it into more of a UK rap beat for someone like Mowgs. But this is the loop before. So perfect for drill, but we wanna flip the vibe. So you get the idea.
I didn't even know that.
That's where we are. Had in your head earlier about that lead, you know, sometimes when you extend the note it kind of like warps into it in a way, doesn't it? Yeah, that's what I was looking for. I'm thinking these switch else, you know. So like I'm just adding things for the sake of it now. So we finished the beat. I think this one's sounding fucking crazy, so I'm just gonna play it from the beginning and see what you guys think. Started off as a UK drill melody, but I feel like the switch up for this is sick. So we finished both beats now. I think I'm preferring the second one, you know, but let me know what you guys prefer in the comments. And yo, shout out to everyone for watching the video. Make sure you follow my boy at Baza. And yeah, until next time.